Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pidridla, and let's do a reading for the month of March 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Capricorn. And also check with your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs with regards to my readings especially, and also cross watchers are also welcome. If you don't know the pattern, the sun sign will resonate with your soul, the moon sign with your emotions, the rising sign with yourself. Jupiter is for female who are looking for a husband or a male figure, and Venus is for the males who are looking for feminine energy. Alright, let's do the spread for the golden dawn. Now I'm going to the situation. Now I'm moving on to your current path, alternate path, your psychological basis and karma. So this is a cycle that I'll be repeating. Alright guys, now I have drawn the cards. Let's do the face up of the cards and see what we have. Alright guys, now the face up of the cards are done. Let's get into your reading. First and foremost, by looking at the entire spread, I can tell there are many cards which have been repeated for other zodiac signs as well. Apart from few like the Prince of Discs and Chariot, I believe, and most of the cards like the Prince of Wands also, but most of the cards have been repeated to other zodiac signs. So I feel like you're connecting a lot with people. Okay, lot with people, and many people is what I'm seeing, because there's a lot of multiple zodiac signs reading of the March. Their cards have popped out in your spread right now in the month of March for you. So you might be connecting a lot with a lot of people, multiple people, a lot of people. Okay, and different zodiac signs. Okay, fire signs, water signs, earth signs, air signs, almost all the zodiacs. Okay, almost all the elements of the zodiacs you're connecting. And coming to the situation, you got Prince of Discs, Queen of Discs, and the Chariot. So you, Capricorn, you being an earth sign, basically you got all discs in the situation. Even Chariot is represented as a disc because you can see the wheel, that's a disc, and he is holding a disc in his hand. That is the map actually, and the wheels are the chariot. That's why it is chariot. Chariot is a vehicle. In his hand he is holding the map. Okay, as you can see, this is a major arcana, and I like to start with the major arcanas for you with the situation. And the movement of this is very, everything what you do, I feel like it has a good purpose. Okay, it has a good purpose because you know exactly where you want to go. You have the map in your hand, and you can see the Cancer symbol over here at the bottom. You're very emotional as well as you're moving. You can see the crab over here, and since it's a major arcana, every movement of yours is powerful. Every movement of yours, whatever you're doing, it has a strong purpose, is what I'm saying. And without that, you're not moving. Every time you're moving, you have a strong purpose for that, and you're very emotionally attached to your movement. And you're just moving in the month of March, okay? Especially with regards to your finances, you're just moving, because with the Prince of Discs, you can see there is wheels over here, and it's movement card. It's a vehicle. Again, he is holding a kind of a globe in his hand. This is again the representation of what you really want, and this is the map, okay, where you want to go. You are fixed, you know where you want to go, you have the vehicle with you, and you're just moving. You know how to drive the vehicle as well, and you're moving. With the Queen of Discs also, same representation. You're moving, you're also looking back at, after reaching a certain distance, like a 50% of the distance, you're looking back. You're looking back how far you have gone, and you know that you have still 50% left, and you can't see the front. You are taking back and looking, calculating how much far you have come, and by calculating that, you can calculate the future as well. So you're calculating the distance, how much you have come, and from there again you're calculating how much distance is left, and you're moving. Okay, so you're very, very intelligent, and you know how to move, where you have to go. Again, you can see the same representation. What is she holding in the hand is a globe or a sphere. She knows exactly where she has to go, and she has a vehicle as well. And you're taking all the things, and it can be people as well, but you're taking all the things like this, the pet, the animal over here. You're taking all the things which you need, and you're going. You can see there is an animal over here as well, and there is a representation of animals over here as well. So these can be your equipments, your tools. Okay, you might be traveling a lot in the month of March, is for sure. You might be traveling to long distances. You might be definitely traveling. There is no other way around. If you have Capricorn in the sign of moon and rising, there is no way around. You are traveling in some or the other way. Okay, you are definitely traveling. Let's look into your current path. You have Princess of Wands, Change, which is Two of Discs, and Ace of Swords, which is number 1. Ace is number 1. Princess of Wands is a court card. Let's get into that. I like your current path with what you're going, what you're intending to go, because you're moving at the same time you're enjoying where you're going. So it's a very fun journey. Okay, you want your journey to be fun. Okay, and you want your journey to be, to have a strong purpose, a very strong purpose, and a very strong foundation in the sense, for you, I'm seeing your foundation is to enjoy the process, and also to change whenever you want to. That's the foundation you're looking for. There's a change card. You want to have the balance. If you want to change certain things, you have to have the opportunity for that. So you're creating that opportunity and you're wishing for that and you're working on that, is what I'm seeing. You're definitely working on that. You're gaining some knowledge on that. You're trying to understand how to balance with regards to your life, especially with work, because it's pentacle, and you're actually understanding how to create a foundation where you can actually balance whenever you can, trying to change things according to your wish and according to how you want. With the crown card, you want to be happy and you want to have the authority to change whenever you want the situation. And you got Ace of Swords. Again, this represents knowledge, and you know that you're very positive and you believe that one day you can do that, and you're also you're very strong in that. You believe and you're very strong that you can do that with the Ace of Swords. And also you want new beginnings. You want life to change for you. You want changes to happen in your life, and I feel like these changes have to happen according to your own will and according to your own happiness and desire, is what I'm saying. That is the current path which you're going. Let's look into your alternate path. You have Abundance, the Priestess, and the Universe. You got two major arcanas here in the alternate path. Now, alternate path is something that you can alternately do with regards to your current path. Now, you got Three of Cups, which is abundance in the alternate path. What you can alternately do is actually enjoy whatever you actually have and share it with friends, and it can be emotions. It can be your story. I feel like you have a very good way of sharing your emotions. It can be with writing or painting or telling a good story, and this will actually help others to blossom, is what I'm saying. These are the cups, the Three of Cups. It will help your friends to blossom and be happy, is what I'm saying. You have the talent to do that. You have the talent to shower happiness, and it also makes others very calm and see the beauty of life, and you're shedding the emotions to everyone, is what I'm saying. You have the ability to do that. As the abundance card with the Three of Cups. You have the Priestess, which is again major arcana. You have two major arcanas in the current path. Alternate path, I'm sorry. You have two major arcanas. With the Priestess, you have the knowledge. Okay, whenever you share emotions to people and make them happy, you actually become very creative, at the same time very knowledgeable. Okay, you can understand life much better. You become more creative. There'll be many elements that you can combine in order to form things. You can understand life much better. You can connect with life and the universe much better. You can also learn the secrets of the universe as well, because the Priestess, you will get the knowledge of the universe itself, the secrets of the universe. And this is a beautiful thing if you do that, by sharing your emotions with people and whatever emotions comes up. Okay, I feel like you have a very good talent, as I said. And the universe, again, same thing. With the universe and the Priestess, same thing which I just told you. You will understand the universe much better, and you will also learn the secrets of the universe for sure. And whatever you're sharing also, it is with regards to universe and life, is what I'm seeing. And it's kind of very knowledgeable with the Priestess card. It's very deep as well, and it's going to enlighten people with the eye and everything. People can see right through the things which are happening in the universe, and you can show them the stars, is what I'm saying. You can definitely show them the path, and the stars are the path which will guide you. Okay, it's like a road full of stars, and wherever stars are there, it is the road, and you can just walk, is what I'm seeing. And you are walking, at the same time you are teaching other people how you walk and how they can walk. Okay, by noticing the stars. That's the beauty of the universe. And wonderful, it's absolutely wonderful. Let's look into your psychological basis. You have Five of Wands, which is strife, Knight of Discs, which is a court card, and Six of Swords, which is science. Now, what is running in the background is the psychological basis. Okay, in the background is something that is preparing for the karma, something which is not yet manifested, but something which is happening in the background, which is preparing for the manifestation and for your karma. Karma is the lessons and the things which you cannot avoid. It has to become, it has to be there, and this is the lessons that the universe is presenting you. So with the psychological basis, it's preparing for that karma. With the strive, again, things are happening very quickly. As soon as March is starting, I feel like you will notice a big change in your environment, and there will be a lot of movement. Even with the situation and current path, there is change, a lot of movement, a lot of vehicles, and a lot of movement. Okay, there's a lot of movement in this spirit, a lot. Even with the night of this, even with the slow movement, there's a movement, there's emphasis on the movement. With the strive card also, it represents this momentum. So I feel like you're going to notice the movement. It's gonna happen quickly, but it's gonna happen slowly at the starting. But later on, you will notice that things are happening quite fast in the middle of the month. You will notice, you look back and you will see, okay, after 15 days you look back and see, okay, this 2 weeks I've gone too far, like I've definitely gone too far, and things changed in my life, and I'm in a position where I was not before. This 15 days you'll notice a drastic change, and the next 15 days again it's going to happen. So 50% of the things will happen in the first 15 days, and the 50% will happen in the next 15 days for you. Everything is uniform, everything is according to the plan. Okay, it's because you have the map in your hand. That's the reason. You know exactly where you want to go, you know exactly how much time it will take. It may not be you, but your soul knows exactly how much time it will take. So everything is precise, everything is planned, everything is set. So there's nothing to worry. You can only see there is a lot of energy which is emphasized, a lot of energy which is required. Even the slightest movement, you have to definitely work hard towards that to make a strong impression. And at the same time, your knowledge will improve. You have to keep up with the knowledge. It's going to be slow for this, because you have to learn every time you move. This is a science card, and I feel like you have to definitely gain strength in the month of March. Gain strength and gain some stamina. Eat nicely so you can work nicely in the month of March. There is a lot of hard work, a lot of movement in the month of March. Okay, it's really beautiful, and really you will be you will have this Mars energy. Okay, you got the Princess of Wands, Mars. Okay, you got again with the karma virtue, there is Mars. Okay, with the karma, let us see, you got 3 of Wands, which is virtue, Ace of Wands, which is again fire, and art. Beautiful. Again, art is a major arcana. You got 2 fiery energies, which is Wands. Definitely there is a lot of movement, and because of this movement you're getting a lot of Mars energy. You're connecting with the aura of Mars and the planet of Mars. And you can also notice in the aura of Mars, in the there'll be auras, 1 hour specifically for each planet in a day. And in the particular aura of Mars, you will notice things will happen quite fastly, and there'll be a lot of movement which is happening. And you got 3 of Wands again. There'll be movement. You have to make quick decisions with the virtue card. What you have to take, you have to do it quickly. Okay, and with the Ace of Wands again, each decision you make, which is Ace 1, each decision you make will bring a new beginning. So every three opportunities which are there is your new beginning. You have to just select quickly what is that you like and what is that you want, and every opportunity is a new beginning for you. That is your karma. Okay, there should be some change is what I'm seeing in the month of March, and there'll be some very nice new opportunity which is coming, and the universe will also present you that opportunity, what you want to choose. You got art, which is a major arcana. If you want to do both, you know what, you can do both. Okay, universe is giving you 3 opportunities. Universe is asking you select one, but if in case you like 2 in that, or even 3, I feel like you can go ahead and do that. Okay, with the art, because the more creative you are, the better it is. And in the karma, I'm getting, you see, 3 of Wands, especially with the Ace of Wands and art, these 2 are very creative cards. It emphasizes a lot of with creativity. So your karma is to definitely move ahead and move quite far from where you are right now. When you left February, your March, you're going to notice you're going to go very, very far. At the same time, it's going to be very creative. You're going to enjoy the journey. It's going to be very enjoyable, and you're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn a lot with the art, and you're going to enjoy is what I'm saying. That's it. And yeah, what a beautiful reading, Capricorn. If you like the reading, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified. And if you do want to get a personal reading from me, you can check out my business card. I do offer services for tarot reading, astrological reading, life coaching and daily readings. You can find my price ranges also respectively with Indian rupees, and my social media links along with my phone number. You can contact me with regards to like that, and I'll reach out to you as soon as possible. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for so much support. Thanks for watching. Thank you.